Alright, you guys, so Chainsaw Man episode 3 basically goes down like this, everybody. So we start out with the power flat out lying to Makima and making Denji royally pissed off at her by trying to tell Makima that Denji's the one that told her to go kill the fiend um, from episode 2, and that power was just, just doing as she was told, and then Denji's like, I never told you to go kill the fiend. You're a dumbass liar, and quit saying you did everything just because somebody told you to. A, you're lying because I didn't, and B, just the way you say that. It's just really creepy. Stop doing that. And then Makima basically politely asks, hey, you two, can, can you guys basically stop arguing and, and, and try and represent the public safety uh, team, team, team with some respect? And then Powers like, I can. And then we got to Denji getting himself a drink out of a vending machine, and 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 then he tells Power, boy, uh, I know this may seem average to most other folks, but for me, just being able to buy this drink out of this vending machine right here, it is still a dream come true. And then of course, Denji proceeds to tell Power that that even though a lot of his dreams have come true, just in the short time since Pochetta gave became one with Denji, and then Power's like, I ate all humans, and I ate demons, and I ate devils too. And then Denji says, kind of in a separate narration, boy, I didn't think I'd ever get along with her. And then of course, guys, Denji reveals that he still hasn't been able to feel any woman's private area, and basically lose his virginity in any type of way. But Power says, if you'll help me get my cat back from the bat devil that took her from me back when it was still just a regular old blood devil, I'll let you get hold of my tits on my chest here. Yeah. And then Denji thinks that initially the reason why Power's doing all this for a cat is kind of stupid. But as soon as Power offers to let Denji touch her breast, he's like, boy, I'm gonna kick the shit out of whoever kill the shit rather of out of who stole your cat. And then Monkey was in this meeting with kind of the other directors of the safety bureau, and then she says, and they're like, boy, the things in America are getting worse. So how are our two latest lapdogs coming along? And then Monkey Manager says fine. And then ultimately, guys, after seemingly having Powers request to leave the public safety building approved, Denji and Power ultimately end up in this kind of like, again, rundown house where Power basically makes Denji bleed out to fulfill the promise that she made to the Bat Devil in exchange for a cat's safe return. But the catch is, guys, Denji's blood doesn't live up to what the Bat Devil demanded from Power in exchange for her cat's release. So guys, the Bat Devil ultimately eats Power's cat, and then basically right before she gets eaten, basically apologizes to Denji for saying that Pochita is still a part of him. Even though all Pochita is now is Denji's new art, Power's like, I'm sorry for saying that. I understand that feeling now, and it's awful. And then, guys, after the Bat Devil says, all this repulsive blood I've been tasting will A, never satisfy my hunger, or B, heal my amputated arm wound that the humans gave me so very long ago. And then Denji's like, hey, give me my chance to see some titties back. And then and then Denji ultimately does end up changing into a Chainsaw Man form, and the Bat Devil's like, you're spending too much of this battle and your superb strength worrying about pointless humans. What a waste of time. And then Denji's like, even though he did try his best to tell as many people as he can, hey, look, unless you want to get eaten by an overgrown bat, try and get as far away from here as you can. And then Denji says to the Bat Devil, I really don't give a shit about saving anybody. I'm just going to kill you to try and force my Power to keep a promise. And the episode ends, guys, with the Bat Devil being destroyed. Have a good one.